G'day everyone, it's your Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. I've been asked a question by Lucas. Lucas has asked me what the point of knowing, I go on about joinery a little bit on site. Lucas has asked me what the point of knowing all of this joinery has, the importance that it has on site. I often talk about the importance of understanding your timber and understanding old school joinery. When we're doing a house in today's day and age, we very rarely use much old school joinery. We mainly use engineered brackets to make things easier and quicker, also for structurally. But just a quick note, if you understand your old school joinery systems, it makes things much easier to construct if you don't have the ability to grab those engineered brackets, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you today how we've used our joinery to interlink carport together, so then we don't have to use all of the steel brackets, etc. Recently I sat a conference with a number of different engineered bracket companies. In Australia we rely quite a lot on engineered brackets to hold our trusses together. Roof that we've just finished off, that's all hand pitched, there's no steel brackets used in it. This pergola, on the other hand, we haven't used any steel brackets, but we've only used joinery to interknit the whole thing together for extra strength, at the same time as making sure that it'll last the test of time and no unsightly bits of metal, etc. So come with me and have a look, Lucas, and everybody else out there. Down below, before we put this up now, we've got this all stitched in together. It's in place, it's glued. And there's our butt join there, and this is our mitre join there. So our mitre join obviously wraps around the corner here, and it's got a beautiful finish. There's no unsightly brackets in there. We have put a couple of tech screws or roofing batten screws in there, and on the other side as well, just to tie it into this notch here. And we will stick a bolt in this corner along with an internal brace. And the internal brace itself will be hand chiseled in. If you understand your carpentry, if you understand your timber, the different timbers that we have, you can always work in a structure that works with the environment, that without having to use engineered brackets and things like that. Engineered brackets do have their place, no doubt about it, but sometimes we don't want to have to use steel brackets. Sometimes we just want to be able to have some really nice featured timber. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about that, please flick it over. Until next time, stay unreal, banana peel, and see you in the soup.